Hey devs, be kind here and welcome back to another Roblox Studio tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use both bindable and remote functions. Also, I am sorry for not uploading for a while. The reason is primarily because of school. I end up getting a lot of homework all the time, and I was also busy working on some games. But without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So first, for bindable functions, we're going to insert one in the replicated storage, and we're just going to name it tutorial. You can name yours whatever you want. Next, I will insert a script, and then and in this demonstration, I will use a value to say speech. And then we're going to make it so that it will display the speech once it runs. So now, we're going to type with me. The reason why we're not doing something like that, so we are going to use this because reminder that you have to use this. You're not going to type like this. You're not going to use like connect function because we don't use this in the tutorial. We don't use this for remote. Like functions that we will be invoking, it has to be like this way, not this way. If you use it that way, it won't work. And you have to do it this way. You can even put in some parameters, but I'll demonstrate that later on. So I will say and then we're going to return script parent.speech.value. I will type a random value here. Hello, I am a string value, and I have been invoked by the tutorial function. And there we go. And now we're going to place a part there that will show when the function is invoked. So we're going to use a surface UI, and we're going to configure the label here, so that way that label will show what the value said, and then we're just going to say, I haven't been invoked yet. I haven't been invoked yet. And we're going to just place it right there for now. And run, and then we'll use another script here, and this script will invoke the function. So and then there we go, and we're going to utilize it as a variable. So local speech is, and then it's going to be the invoked function, and then we're going to use this, and then once we got that done here, we're going to test it out, and we're going to see if it works or not. And it works. So that means that the function has been invoked. So it means it's fully working. Like, let's change the speech value, for example, and say, and we're going to say, I have finally got 5 McNuggets from McDonald's. I'm going to use that speech for fun, so this is just something fun I'm using, so we're going to try it, and then there we go. It says, I have finally got 5 McNuggets from McDonald's. There we go. So now here we're going to try out the remote functions. So remote functions can communicate through both the client and the server. So we're going to name it tutorial 2. And we're going to do tutorial 2. And we're going to invoke the client. So invoke the client this time. So this time it's going to get information from the client. So we're going to utilize a text box here, and we will make it so that it will display the text once the function is invoked. So we're gonna do this. So and we're gonna return the text in the box. Technically, you are gonna technically it's showing something like what has been typed from a user, so it's technically going to be like anything displayed from a user-generated text. So if you're actually going to input like user-generated text in your own game, reminder that you have to use the filter system or else your game will get moderated. So I would highly recommend doing that. And then it will display whoopsies, dang it, I accidentally removed the Surface GUI. Sorry about that. And alright. Alright. Hello. I haven't been invoked yet. Whoopsies. I think I made a bit of a spelling error here. There's supposed to be an exclamation mark, not a number 1 here. But anyways, we're gonna play it. And then it just, what the heck? Okay, I think we just did something wrong here. We're just gonna go like this, so. If you're invoking a specific client, I forgot to say this, but if you're going to invoke a client, you have to like invoke it to where the client is going. I'm not sure if it can invoke all clients though, but yeah, you can't invoke all clients, unlike remote events where it can invoke all clients, but on remote functions, you have to invoke a specific client. So that means you have to place the client. It's an instance of a player. And whoops. And then we're going to go surface UI text equals speech. And then we're going to apply it here. So even though it says text box here, it just says text box. So let's say, hello everybody. My name is Be Kind. Then it shows right there. So it's gathering the information from the client. So let's say this for example. Alright, so I gotta think. And hey devs. And then there we go. It says hey devs. So now this time we'll experiment with this thing where it will fire information from the server. So this time we're going to use a button here. So let's say this. What does the server say? Whoopsies. What does the server say? So now we're going to do. Okay. There we go. Whoopsies. I thought it was a remote event for some reason. Sorry about that. And then we're going to say local speech equals, and then script.parent.text button.text equals speech. And then we're going to make it so it says, then we're going to do the procedure for when the server is invoked. So then there we go. And then return. We're just going to say it as a local variable. We're not going to use a value this time. So we're going to say local speech is equals I am in a, and then it's to say I am in a YouTube tutorial. And then it will return the speech. Oopsies, I didn't mean to include an extra space. So then there you go. Let's test it out. What does the server say? I am in a YouTube tutorial. There we go. Let's change it a little bit, and then we're going to say, join my Discord server, for example. I'm going to go play it again. What does the server say? Join my Discord server. Awesome. Let's do one more. Follow BeKind000 on Roblox. Now let's play it again. What does the server say? Follow BeKind000 on Roblox. There we go. So basically with bindable and remote functions, you are able to make your own custom functions that return specific values, which is very creative, and I like how they utilize the feature. Like you can collect information from the client and the server or anywhere across the entire Explorer. But anyways, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this YouTube tutorial. And as always, please make sure to leave a like, make a friendly comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to also join my Discord server and follow me on Roblox. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.